Good evening, everybody. It is Wild Ass Wednesday. I'm sorry I didn't get this video to you sooner. Just a little bit of behind the scenes stuff going on today. We're trying to get ready. We are heading to Myrtle Beach. Heading down for Myrtle Beach Bike Week next week, and just been getting everything ready today, and have had one of those days where one guy decides to be late, which gets you to the next place late, which gets you to the next place a little bit later. And then I had to get the car serviced so it's ready for the trip. That took longer than it needed to because the first place couldn't even do it because everybody at the place takes lunch at the same time. If you're running a shop, don't send everybody out for lunch at the same time. It sucks for the customer. But went to the next place, got it serviced, ready to go. Then haircut time, so you look all pretty for bike week and rally events. And that took longer than it should have, but that's okay. Started this little commitment project here at the first of the month where I have to do 2 exercises for 45 minutes each, one of which has to be outside. So a little bit late walking, got the opportunity to do a Wild Ass Wednesday video and see if I can get a little bit of snow starting there to accumulate on the ground. Hey, Brock Tobiasen, how are you? Thanks for checking out Wild Ass Wednesday. We were supposed to go up and look at a certain seat last night with you, Brock, but never heard anything, so I figured you didn't go. But about halfway through my walk, I think I got 20 minutes or so to get back home, and gonna call it a night. So, why, yeah, vintage, huh? Commenting on the raincoat. Everything's backwards, so... There you go. So you know what, Brock? It's keeping my upper half dry, so I'm happy with that. But committing to this fitness, mental, mind game challenge. I don't know if you can see down the street. Let me see. Can't see very far because it doesn't look like it's snowing that hard, but it's coming down pretty good. So what the hell? It's Minnesota, right? So anyway, wanted to check in because it's Wild Ass Wednesday. Let you know of the day's events. We'll be hitting the road and heading down to Myrtle Beach. So if you guys are coming there, make sure you stop and see us. We'll be in the parking lot of the Harley dealer. And I don't remember the address, but look for the big Wild Ass tent. I will be there all week. Looking forward to the trip. Going to stop in Greenville, South Carolina, see some friends on the way. Hey, Lucas Olson. Good morning. Good evening, whatever, I'm confused. It's a long day. So anyway, that's it. Wild Ass Wednesday. Just a little walk in the snow because it's Minnesota. Why not? You guys have a good night. Thanks for checking this out. We'll get back to you. You'll see us from the event next week for sure. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Oh wait, Brock says something. Didn't go to the shop. Yeah, you're bad, should have called. Well, that's okay. I found lots to do. Cutting wood. Doing productive things. So we'll be in touch, Brock. Now you know I won't be there next week either. So talk to you guys later. Have a good night.